get Sab on the track.
Hi guys, so welcome to a quick video on Charlie Johnson's YouTube channel. I've had quite a few questions recently from clients about how I eat rice cakes with my meals. So a meal now, I have got 130 grams of chicken, 35 grams of avocado and some veg, sliced greens. I'm going to have 3 rice cakes with it as well. Advantage of the rice cakes, they're really low in carbohydrates, so 3 rice cakes is 18 grams carbs. So what I like to do is add a nice texture and bulks out the meal. So I'll get all 3 of the rice cakes and I'll literally just break them up into here. Bulk it out nicely. You can mix it in with the chicken, so it gives you this sort of desired effect. You can see that. So it gives that, and then what you want to do is add a bit of Frank's red hot sauce on there. So we'll put that bad boy on there and it's good to go. So this would be a Charlie Johnson quick 60-second tip. Frank's red hot sauce, break up your rice cakes with your chicken, and it's a good meal and it will fill you out, and the carbs and calorie content are low. So let me know what you think of videos like this, guys. Any questions, please comment below. Peace.
We get Sab on the track.